Today, we pit two snow SUV tire heavyweights against each other, the Michelin X Ice Snow and the Bridgestone Blizzak DM V2. Both are built to tackle icy and snowy conditions, but each brings unique strengths to the table. In this video, we will use the Consumer Reports ratings, which assess each tire on a 1 to 5 scale, with 5 being the highest score. On ice, both tires achieve the highest possible rating of 5 out of 5 in ice braking. They deliver exceptional stopping power, ensuring safety on the iciest roads. In snow traction, it's another tie, with both the Michelin X Ice Snow and Bridgestone Blizzak DM V2 scoring a perfect 5 out of 5. Whether you're navigating steep inclines or deep snow, these tires excel in providing reliable traction. In wet conditions, the Bridgestone Blizzak DM V2 takes the lead. For wet braking, the Michelin scores 2 out of 5, while Bridgestone also achieves the same. In wet handling, Michelin also scores 2 out of 5, while Bridgestone edges ahead with 3 out of 5. When it comes to hydroplaning resistance, Michelin earns 3 out of 5, but Bridgestone impresses with 4 out of 5. The Blizzak DM V2 offers more confidence on slushy, wet roads. In dry braking, the Bridgestone Blizzak DM V2 outperforms with a rating of 4 out of 5, while the Michelin X Ice Snow scores 3 out of 5. This means shorter stopping distances and more effective braking for the Bridgestone. When it comes to comfort and noise, each tire has its strengths. For ride comfort, Bridgestone scores 4 out of 5, offering a smoother ride. However, in terms of noise levels, Michelin takes the lead with a quieter cabin, scoring 4 out of 5, compared to Bridgestone's 3 out of 5. For rolling resistance, crucial for fuel efficiency and EV range, the Michelin X Ice Snow earns a superior 4 out of 5, while the Bridgestone Blizzak DM V2 scores 3 out of 5. The X Ice Snow is the more energy-efficient option. So, which tire is right for your SUV? The Bridgestone Blizzak DM V2 stands out in wet, dry, and ride comfort. On the other hand, the Michelin X Ice Snow excels in noise and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.